In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise business bank account. In just a few easy steps, you'll be set up and ready to go. Whether you're a business owner, a stakeholder, or someone looking to streamline their financial operations, this guide is crafted for you. To get started, open up your browser and head over to the Wise Business website, or simply launch the Wise app on your smartphone. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface, so navigating through the process should be a breeze. Once you're there, look for the register button. If you've previously set up a personal account with Wise, then you'll see an option that reads Open Business Account. Simply click on that and you'll be on your way. Next, you need to specify the country where your business is registered. Wise caters to users globally, so ensure you select the correct one to align with your business operations. Once you've done that, tap Continue to proceed. Now you'll come to the part where you confirm your role in the business. Are you the owner, a stakeholder, or do you hold another position? It's important to choose the option that accurately describes your involvement, as this ensures transparency and trustworthiness in your account setup. With your role confirmed, it's time to input some key business details. This includes entering your company type, its official business name, and if applicable, the trading business name you operate under. Keep this information handy, as it's crucial for the verification steps to follow. Next, you will be asked to confirm the registered address of your business. Make sure the information here is spot on, as it may have implications for documentation and your banking operations later. Double check this to ensure everything is accurate. Following this, you'll encounter some prompts asking for further details about your business. These questions are designed to help Wise tailor its services to better suit your needs. Providing comprehensive and truthful responses here can enhance your banking experience. Finally, after reviewing all the information you've entered, you'll see an option to confirm and continue. Take a moment to go over everything one last time to ensure it's all correct. When you're ready, click on this option to complete the setup process. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Wise business bank account. By following these straightforward steps, you've now unlocked the potential to manage your business finances with ease. Wise offers a plethora of tools to help you efficiently handle transactions, payments, and all your banking needs. Make sure to explore these features to take full advantage of what Wise has to offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made the process seamless and easy for you. Enjoy the benefits of your new Wise business account.